Here, Danny, Ninko, and Jeff Darlington. I will start with you. As the week begins, we see the Packers making these moves. What do they mean, and what are we hearing?
Well, Greeny, look, based on all of my conversations over the last several weeks, whether it's with people in the Packers organization, people close to Rodgers, people on other teams who are interested in Rodgers, this still feels like the momentum is decisively leaning toward Aaron Rodgers returning to Green Bay. And this goes back to the day that they hired Tom Clements as the quarterback's coach. That was the big one here. That was the first shoe to drop, essentially saying that the Packers are going to do the things that Aaron Rodgers wants to see happen. Everybody I've talked to have said that the conversations since the end of this season have been positive and optimistic. If they get Davante Adams done, I would imagine that there's be some reassurances that Randall Cobb will be back. And then, of course, the contract, which the Packers also are willing to adjust to make Aaron Rodgers happy. So again, as long as things don't go sideways, Greeny, this still feels to me like Aaron Rodgers will return to the Packers.
All right, and so Dan Orlovsky, as you hear that, and I mean, we've gone back and forth on this thing so many times in so many different ways. What would be next then to you? If the objective here is for Rodgers and the Packers to finally get this thing for the first time in a decade over the finish line, are they ready to do it now, or is there more work to be done?
There's more work to be done. The very next step would be to trade Jordan Love and to see what kind of value you can get out of him if Aaron Rodgers is going to come back. So I think Aaron Rodgers goes back to Green Bay. I think Aaron Rodgers should go back to Green Bay. I think it's his best place for two reasons. Individual success, which we know is important to him, is important to every great, and then team success. I honestly believe the best chance for him to finally win that second Super Bowl is in Green Bay unequivocally. Now, if that happens, if and when Aaron Rodgers comes back, I do think there's a couple things that need to happen. Number one, like I said, trade Jordan Love. Understand that the decision to draft him maybe wasn't a mistake, but it's not providing any value to your football team. So see what you can get for him right now. A second or a third round pick, something. If you don't believe that he's your guy and you're not willing to move on from Aaron Rodgers right now for his future, then invest in the now while utilizing him as an asset to go get more picks for this year's draft. I think they need to get somebody as a difference maker opposite Davante Adams. Not for the regular season, but it does show in the playoffs. Not only for teams paying attention to Davante, but for some, it feels like Aaron is so dependent on Davante in the playoffs. They got to get a difference maker in their front seven on defense. That's been for like 3 years now. I don't care if it's DeMario Davis, somebody. And then in the playoffs, Aaron's going to have to play his 3 or 4 best game stretch of that season. That's what needs to happen for them to win their Super Bowl.
We'll see. Again, we are waiting. There's no reason to think it shouldn't happen any day, any minute here. Ninko, how about you? Where do you stand on this, Rodgers, as a new week begins?
Yeah, I mean, I think that the best place for him is Green Bay. And if you're Green Bay, you go out of your way, that is, to tell everyone, all the fan base, look, we want Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers is our guy. We're going to do whatever it takes. Let me think. Have I ever seen a place where they had a Hall of Fame quarterback and they drafted somebody pretty high and then they traded him away? New England, right? So trade away Love, get as many picks as you can, go out and try and build the roster for Aaron Rodgers. We know Aaron Rodgers, yeah, he's had the drought, yada, yada, yada. But the best chance for you to get to a Super Bowl is with that man at quarterback. We all know this is a quarterback-driven league. There ain't no way they're getting to the Super Bowl with anybody else than Aaron Rodgers. So you keep Aaron Rodgers, and you hope you can get it done.
It's a good point. I mean, the Patriots once traded away Jimmy Garoppolo, and it all kind of worked out. And look, I like all this. Jeff, sit by on this. We have much more to do. I got to take a quick break, but there's a lot more to be said about this. Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.